We know that when we when we build equity practice and use community engagement as a means to do that, that we have strengthened partnerships and alliances. We have a diverse pool of thought, and we're able to create a shared analysis of the issues and how racism and other oppressive systems might show up and reasons why communities are experiencing certain things, right? It is in community engagement, it leads to expanded knowledge, not only for community members, but also for organizations as well. And then we know that once we have those, we have improved healthcare programs, healthcare systems. The solutions are community aligned and with their needs, they're actionable, they're sustainable, right? And then as a result of all of that, we have thriving communities. So we see those long-term improvements in health, like mental health, physical health, and so on. I see some more responses in the chat. Community engagement is essential for advancing health and racial equity because it allows individuals and groups who are most affected by health disparities and racial inequities to have a voice. Thank you so much. And addressing the root causes as well. Absolutely, y'all are on it. It is one thing to know what racial and health equity are in an academic sense, but it's another to be a part of the community experiencing inequity. Those with lived experience often have the most far-reaching ideas to bring about equity. Absolutely. And so the example that I want to pose here is that how much would, let's say that we are trying to influence a policy or a system around displacement and homelessness, right? How much would it change the conversation if we invited folks to the table who that was their experience and that they were able to tell us about their experience and also tell us what they need or how they think that the situation could be improved and how policies can be changed. Those ideas are going to be much more innovative, much more people-centered, and much more equitable because those suggestions came from the folks with lived experiences. So thank you all so much for lifting that up, and really through community engagement, I do believe we can achieve equity as long as we're doing it in a meaningful and authentic way. I'm gonna stop here and see if we have any other questions or comments. So for the remainder of today's training, we're really going to focus in on the strengthened partnerships and alliance, because part of community engagement is identifying those folks who we can partner with, who may be able to touch the community in ways and in areas that we may not have capacity to.